In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the edit history of a cell in Google Sheets. This is a simple but powerful way to understand who changed a value, what it was changed to, and when it happened. It's great for catching mistakes, auditing updates, or just keeping everyone on the same page when you're collaborating. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets in a desktop browser. Make sure you've opened the correct file and that you have at least comment or edit access. If you're viewing the sheet in read-only mode, you won't be able to see detailed change information for individual cells. Also note that protected ranges might limit what you can do depending on the permissions set by the owner. Next, click the exact cell you want to investigate so it's highlighted. Now right-click on that cell to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad or a Mac without a right click, you can use a two-finger click or hold Control and click to bring up the same menu. Take a second to confirm you're right-clicking the correct cell. The edit history you'll see is specific to that single cell, not the whole sheet. From the menu that appears, choose Show Edit History. When you click this, a small panel will appear next to the cell showing a timeline of changes. You'll see who made each change, a timestamp for when it happened, and the previous and updated values. Use the arrows in that panel to move backward and forward through the sequence of edits. If the cell uses a formula, you may see the formula changes rather than just the displayed result, which is helpful for diagnosing broken calculations. A few tips to keep in mind as you review what you see. If the cell has never been changed, there won't be any history to display. Cell edit history focuses on content changes, so formatting adjustments like bold, color, or borders typically won't show up here. If you're collaborating with a large team, this view is much faster than scanning the entire file's version history because it zeroes in on the specific cell you care about. And if you don't see the Show Edit History option at all, double check your access level and make sure you're using Google Sheets in a desktop browser, as some mobile views handle this differently. That's all you need to quickly trace changes at the cell level in Google Sheets. Open your spreadsheet, right-click the cell, and choose Show Edit History. It's a small feature that can save you a lot of time and guesswork.